Hi friends, this is Mr. Luk. I hope you're doing well. This video is for the move-a-thon that's coming up at school. Watch the video, follow along, and you'll be ready for the move-a-thon, okay? This video is broken up into 3 different parts. The first part teaches you some of the movements that might be in the obstacle course of the move-a-thon. The second part is a warm-up, and the last part is a workout. Remember, the main idea of the move-a-thon is to stay moving and stay healthy. Keep a good pace and use good form. It's not a race, so don't go out and go super fast, okay? Try to do the whole 20 minutes with constant movement, okay? If you get tired, slow down and catch your breath. Try your best and have fun, okay? I'll see you later. Hi friends, lesson 1 is a skip. For the skip, we take a step and a hop, a step and a hop. Watch how this works. Here's my space. I'm going to take a step and then hop, step, hop, step, hop. I'm just going to go around in a circle. Basically, step and hop. Okay, so let's practice that for a few more rounds. One more circle, okay? That's a skip. Skipping in a circle. Okay, that's skipping. Okay, number 2. The second movement is a bear crawl. A bear crawl is being on your hands and feet, shoulders nice and low, your hips above, higher than your shoulders, and then going slowly. Okay, your knees don't touch the ground. Make sure your knees don't touch the ground. Okay, so let's watch how that looks. Get on your hands, feet on the ground, knees not touching the ground, your legs get raised straight up. You can have it slightly bent and just crawling. Okay, keep your hips up high and just going slow, nice and slow. Okay, that's a bear crawl. Okay, that's a bear crawl. Okay, our third movement is a grapevine. A grapevine is when we travel sideways. We have a step, step behind, step forward, step, step behind, step forward. The step is always the leader, and that leader always goes first. Okay, so let's see how a grapevine looks like. We have, here we go. I'm gonna have my right leg go first. Step, step back, step, step forward. Okay, I'm going the other way now. Step, step back, step, step forward, step, step back, step, step forward. Okay. Let me show you how that looks when I go a little bit faster. Let's see. Here we go. Step. So again, step, step back, step forward, step. I apologize for the wind, boys and girls, but the last movement we're learning today is a walking lunge. For this one, we're taking big steps forward, and then bring your back leg, bring it nice and high. Keep your back straight, but don't lean forward. Okay? Big steps. And bring your back leg up. Okay? Here, this is how it looks. Here's my big step. Stronger, so keep it up. Okay friends, get ready for your warm-up. Make sure you have a safe space. Make sure there's nothing on the ground. And let's get started, okay? For our warm-up, we're going to do this Tabata style. So 20 seconds of exercise, 10 seconds of rest. We're going to do jogging in place, then arm circles, knee circles, and then jumping jacks. We're doing everything 2 times, and that will be about 4 minutes. Okay, here we go. Jogging in place first. Okay, and go. Shake your hands out. Okay, 10 seconds of rest. Next one is arm circles. Arms all the way out. Small circles going forward. You can make them a little bit bigger. Almost there. Good job. 10 seconds of rest. Okay, next one is knee circles. Tap the knee to the ground and make circles with your other knee. You can hold on to something if you need to. Okay, 10 seconds of rest. Jumping jacks are next, okay? Okay, here we go. Okay, good job. That was 1 set. 1 more to go. Okay, back to jogging in place. Go. Okay, time for a 10-second rest. Now we're doing arm circles going backwards, okay? Arms out. Okay, 10-second rest. Now we're gonna do knee circles with our other knee, okay? Plant this knee to the ground, arms out. Okay, we're almost there. Last one. Jumping jacks, and then we'll be done. Awesome job, friends. You did it. That was our warm-up. My heart rate's a little bit up. That's a good thing. We wanted to keep that heart rate up for a little bit, okay? Time for our workout now, okay? Our workout is coming up. I'll see you later. Okay, Okay friends, time for a workout. Again, it's Tabata style, so 20 seconds of exercise, 10 seconds of rest. We're going to do jogging in place, Frankenstein walks, bear crawls, walking lunges, and then grapevine. Okay? Make sure you have a safe space, and let's get started. Okay, get ready for walking in place. Next one is Frankenstein second rest. Frankenstein walks is next, okay? Arms up high and go. We're almost there. Bear crawls, okay? And 6 feet on the ground, hips up high. you did it. How's your heart going? Is it going fast? Awesome job. What does that mean? Yeah? That means you're getting stronger. Good job. Keep going. Have fun. And I'll see you next time.